gorgeous, hope you're having a beautiful day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. If you are looking at my brows thinking it looks rather big and rather bold, it's because I literally just tried a few minutes ago the Diablo brow lift kit. I filmed the video, so it should be already up on my channel, so therefore it looks a little bit bigger and bolder. I'm going with this look. This video I'm gonna be checking out the Flick Stick waterproof, smudge proof, light proof, perfect wings every time, prep stamp line, cruelty free and vegan friendly brand, distributed by Vogue FX Ltd. This is brand new, by the way, guys. I haven't like opened up or anything. It has a sticker on. I just want to show you the ingredients, because ingredients are all good, like jojoba oil and vegetable oil, shea butter and like sunflower oil, vitamin C and so on. And it's smudge proof, light proof, big statements, so I literally can't wait to try this. The one that I have is 10mm and it's called Classic. I literally haven't tried this. I really hope I'm not gonna fail because I'm going out today. I have a date night with my husband as it's our anniversary, it's our wedding anniversary. Oh, I have two things in here. Oh, okay, hello. We have a little instruction included on how to use this. Stamp. Angle the point of the stamp towards the end of your eyebrow and press gently onto the skin with the base of the arrow close to the lash line. Pressing onto the open eye creates a longer wing than closed. I mean, don't really need a stamp eyeliner because I perfected my eyeliner and I absolutely know how to do perfect eyeliner every time for hooded eyes. But I understand with people like me who has hooded eyes might struggle a lot applying the eyeliner, so therefore this can be extremely handy. Okay, so what they say is line. Use the very end of a pointed pen tip for a precise line across the lash line to complete your look. So one pen is left wing, another is right wing. The left wing looks like this. The stamp for the right wing. This is like one size suits all, so we can always adjust because we have this little pen in here. I am literally scared that I'm gonna fail this miserably and just embarrass myself with this, saying, oh, I can do eyeliner easy, I have hooded eyes, I perfected that, and then fail the stamp. That would just be a bit of embarrassing. Let's start from the right one. I mean, how hard can it be? I'll watch straight to the mirror that I have in front of me. Okay guys, I went for it. Like this kind of looks fine. Obviously would need to fill in this gap just because my eyes are extremely hooded. But stamping part was quite easy. Let's do another one in here. Press this one better actually. Okay, now just the game of filling in the gaps. The pen part is extremely easy to use though. Prolonging the wing a bit, so I like it to look sharper. It's actually easier to use than I thought it's gonna be. I thought it's gonna be more difficult. So I think stamp is really good if you are in a rush because you just stamp on the wings. I mean, it still needs perfecting, as you see, because I have such a hooded eyes. If I close my eyes, it just does mesh, so therefore you have a pen included. But if you're in a rush, it gives you perfect placement, because I don't know about you, but the struggle that I get is not about drawing a perfect wing, it's about matching both eyes to have a exact the same wing. So this comes very handy. Majorly impressed. Okay, I'm gonna apply quickly mascara and I'll come back to this, but so far this is easy to use. Approved for sure. the flick sticks, because it's two, because it's separate for each wing. Wow, I mean, you seen how stressed I was in the beginning of video, because I thought I'm just gonna mess it up big time and I will need to remove all the makeup and start it all over again, and now I'm really a bit in a rush because we need to leave soon. So yeah, extremely impressed how fast it is to use. Even if you perfected your wings like I have, but you in a rush, this is a thing to go, because you just place it exactly in the same place so effortlessly, and then just, you know, dot it together kind of. Extremely impressed. I really wasn't expecting that. I thought I'm gonna mess it all up. Thumbs up for me. Can you tell that I'm so excited about this? Because wow, they say on the packaging, very big statement, perfect wings every time. Yes, perfect wings. Well, it's only one time I tried, so I can't tell you if it's every time, but I presume it would be. And then waterproof, smudge proof, life proof. Let's check that, because I have this in here on the hand. I mean, while I was applying on the eyes and then while I was doing mascara, I'm sure this dried, so it should be smudge proof, waterproof, and life proof, and so on. So let's just try and rub and smudge. I'm gonna proper smudge it, as you can see. Smudged a little bit, like, I'm proper moving my hand, guys. It's like proper smudging. If proper smudging, proper like rubbing, as you see, it kind of rubs a bit, but then it's not really bleeding or anything. Like, guys, proper rubbing. So yeah, it smudges a tiny bit, but then it's not super like wipe it off or anything like that. And it's not crumbling. Oh, you guys, I don't know if you ever have this problem with eyeliners, but maybe because I have super oily skin and hooded eyes, my eyeliner tends to crumble or to bleed, but I don't think this would happen with this eyeliner because of this. Guys, thumbs up from me. That's all I can say. Have you actually tried any other brand that does similar thing with a flick stick? Because I've seen other brands doing that, and if you loved it or hate it, or maybe you tried this brand, leave a comment down below, let me know, because I am extremely impressed of how good it is. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think and what I should do for my next video, do more review videos or tutorials, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao for now!